Alright guys, this evening Homestead Know-How we're working on a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 4.7 liter quad cab. The truck died and it wouldn't start, but we tapped on the bottom of the gas tank, which agitated the fuel pump, and the truck would start. I didn't do any pressure tests, nothing like that. This is just some of the common mechanic knowledge that you learn over doing stuff. So what we've done is I've got a chain hoist that I bought at Harbor Freight. I used a chain. We took 6 18mm bolts out of the bed from underneath. There's one here, one over there, and then 2 on each side in the back. And you'll be able to tell what they are if you just look for them. And then on the other side, there's a 10mm that is a body ground that you take off. So then we just hooked to the bed and hoisted it up, as you can see. And then right through here over the tire, and we put a block in just in case over there, over the tire. You can get back here to the fuel pump. All right, so the way this works is there's a U-clamp that slides down in this. You pry it off, take it out, this line will come off. All you do is take a flathead screwdriver, and then for your wiring harness, you take a flathead screwdriver, remove this clip, you depress right here, and you use a flat blade screwdriver just to kind of turn it to break this loose. Then, once you do that, to get this fuel pump out on this one, these right here hold it in on this round plate on the top. So you take a flat blade screwdriver and you hit it, you put it in one of these extra slots and you hit it until this turns around to where these clips line up more over here. And then that will release this. It's spring loaded, so it'll pop up. Take this off, then you can take your fuel pump out and you put your new fuel pump in, press it down, and you hammer it the opposite direction to get your fuel pump back in. And one thing I do want to say, which I should have already said, is you want to blow all the debris or vacuum all the debris out of this so nothing falls in your fuel tank. So if you have a vehicle that dies on you and cranks, if you can't hear the fuel pump whining when you turn the key in the on position, it could be your fuel pump. Tap on the bottom of the tank with something hard while you're trying to start the car. And this is a simple way to replace it on a truck, is to take the bed up instead of dropping the fuel cell itself. Homestead Know-How, life is good. Hope this video is beneficial and helpful to someone. And you just do the, oh, one more thing, I forgot, we took the fuel neck loose, obviously so you don't tear it loose from the bed. I should have added that in earlier, but I kind of forgot.
If you take the bed all the way off, you'll take the taillights out.
Yeah, and if you take the bed all the way off, you have to take your taillights out. If you don't, you'll mess the wire, you'll yank the wires loose. Homestead Know-How, life is good. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We hope y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.